Today, I'm going to show you how to change the underline color in Microsoft Word in just a few simple steps. This is a great trick if you want to make headings, notes, study material, or important text stand out with a more customized look. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the underline color settings and how to apply them quickly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and make sure you have the document ready that contains the text you want to edit. Before you can change the underline color, you need to select the exact text that already has an underline or the text you want to underline with a new color. So go ahead and highlight the word, sentence, or paragraph you want to customize. This step is important because Word will only apply the formatting to the selected text. Once your text is highlighted, look at the top of the screen and go to the Home tab. The Home tab is where most of the common font and paragraph tools are located, including bold, italic, font color, and underline options. In the font section, find the Underline button. You'll usually see the underline icon with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Don't just click the button itself yet, because that may simply turn on the default underline style. Instead, click the small arrow beside the underline button to open the underline menu. When the drop-down menu appears, you'll see several underline style options. And this is where you can also control the color. Look for the underline color option, click on that, and Word will show you a color palette with different choices. You can pick a standard color, such as black, red, blue, or green, depending on the look you want. If you're working on something professional, you might want a subtle color. If you're making study notes or presentation material, you can choose something more noticeable. After selecting your underline color, Word will apply it to the text right away. You should now see the underline change to the color you picked. If it doesn't look right, you can always repeat the same steps and choose a different color until you find the one that works best. That's one of the best things about Word formatting. It's easy to adjust if you want to refine the appearance later. If you want to apply the same underline color to more text, simply select the next section and repeat the process. This is useful when you want your document to have a consistent style. You can also combine this with other formatting tools in Word, like font color, bold text, or highlight, to make certain parts of your document stand out even more. Just remember that changing the underline color is separate from changing the text color, so if you only want the underline itself to change, use the underline menu and not the font color button. If you're not seeing the underline color option, make sure your Word version is up to date, because the layout can vary slightly depending on the version you're using. But in most modern versions of Microsoft Word, the option is available directly from the Home tab under the Underline drop-down. Once you know where it is, it only takes a few seconds to do. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the underline color in Microsoft Word. It's a small formatting change, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.